So hard.
So hard.
Coba hidup, guys. Hello guys, my name is Meuthia Gina Larissa. I'm from 12 Social 1. In this video, I'm going to make a mask that serves to whiten your face and remove acne. The materials required first is oatmeal. Asik. Put 1 tablespoon oatmeal. Ya. Maaf. Ini sih kan. One tablespoon oatmeal. Then we mix with a box of the milk, full cream, the small size. It can also be replaced with 2 tablespoons honey.
Oh, udah betul. Ya, nanti.
And finally, wait, kita aduk. Sorry guys. Stir it. And finally enter and a half squeeze of lemon. Wait, mana lemon? A slice of lemon is used for normal skin greasy, like me. I'm going to cut it. Kebalik. So I can easily squeeze it. Copy. Okay guys. Finally, the lemon juice is out. I'm sorry, I make a mistake. Muncrat. Okay guys. Then stir and apply to your face. Wait, belum kecampur. See, it turn like this and apply to your face now. Ding ding ding. Okay guys, this is the result. My face feels smooth and brighter. You can use this mask every 2 days. Once again, thank you for watching. Bye bye.